What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, boys. I hope everybody had a Merry Christmas. I know we did too, and we're getting closer and closer to putting 2020 in the books. Not that we know if 2021 is going to be any better, but hey, we can all hope, right? A little bit of hope. Guys, here's the deal. This is it's time to give the red car a little bit of love, and I'll go ahead and tell you a couple of things that's going on. This caliper back here is and has been leaking fluid forever. Not really sure why. It's brand new, but whatever. So we're gonna swap that out with another new caliper. And yeah, this is just 94, 95 V6 stuff. So nothing too crazy there. So that's project number one. Project number two is finally going to have parking brake, which having a parking brake is definitely a good thing. If you're wondering, yeah, hit up LMR, get your parking brake for rear disc brakes. That will be very nice. Last and final thing is I'm getting rid of the 99-04 GT front brakes. Why? Because they drag horribly, and I bought these a while back from my good buddy Mike Stallings, but I do have the Cobra brakes here. I had kind of decided against running them simply because I was trying to save weight, but ultimately the weight difference is not much at all. And I think we got a scale back here, so maybe I'll weigh them, but I'm gonna go ahead and swap those out too. So, you know, I have a little more braking power. Those will look a little better, obviously. Get rid of that leak too and have a parking brake. This should be a good day. Here. Oh, well, yeah, we're gonna try and solve this for forever. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show you why. Yeah, 99-04 GT, guys. As you can see, these are brand new. They're brand freaking new. Absolutely nothing wrong with them. Look at that. Try to spin that front wheel. Yeah, dragging. Yeah, I need those. I need those race car ceramic bearings, but that is essentially the issue. You'll see once we get these on here, they spin free. It's ridiculous. This one's quite a bit worse. You can really put some ass on it, but you shouldn't have to, and they should, and you can hear them dragging. But anyway, let's get this thing in the air. All right, guys. So you can see the issue. It's leaking quite a bit on that caliper, and of course drips down. I'm not sure exactly how good that is, having brake fluid on my tires, but also on the wheels, which is not good. So I'll swap that thing out. Hopefully we won't have to deal with that ever again. All right, boys, we got progress. We got parking brake and got them screwed down and out of the way. I mean, dude, we're gonna have a parking brake. Nice. It's nice when your car doesn't roll around. Also, had two studs broke, so I've got those swapped out. You can see, got the parking brake pulled up again there, just test fitting over here. So yeah, getting stuff done here. Caliper already swapped out, and about to pull the front apart here. Get the Cobra brakes on the front. All right, boys, so we got one side. I just wanted to give you a quick comparison. These are 9904 GT. Those are the Cobra. Dual piston. Dual piston. The calipers are fairly similar, but obviously these are much better looking. The big difference is the rotor. GT, Cobra. So yeah, it's gonna be really and truly, I'm not doing this for any upgrade and stopping because the GT brakes were more than adequate. But again, you can see how well everything spins with the caliper not on there. All right, boys, so success. And yeah, I know they're not the prettiest, but you know what? I don't care. They look 100% better, and once we get everything bled out, they'll turn good. I was gonna film it, but I figured everybody had already done front brakes before, so hey, now you get to see the finished product. Looks great. I'm gonna spray the rotors down a little bit, get these bled out, put the wheels on, see how they look. Yeah, it's going well. Maybe. Never mind. I thought it had. Yeah, we lost a lot of fluid. Yeah. It probably don't take this second. Do an old gravity bleed and see what happens. Guys, if you have not seen under the hood, I'm so proud of how it's actually coming out. Got the SVE radiator hold down, got all the Serbinator bolts on there, even right back there. I'm kind of proud of it. You know, this car has been quote unquote done for 2 years, but it's still just little here, little there. They all need something. Like I haven't had a parking brake cable all this time, and just little details, you know, part of it. But if you didn't have anything to do on your car, you'd get bored, so why not, right? All right, boys, she is back on the ground. And we got some Cobra brakes peeking through there. It definitely looks 100% there. I need to drive them and clean the rotors off, but then we'll see how much better it actually rolls. Getting those 9904 GT calipers off, but definitely a good day. Got that leaking caliper replaced back there. We actually have parking brake. Hold on, we gotta show the parking brake. Get all this junk out of the way. Dude, we got a parking brake. It's amazing. You see that? Looking good. Barely clears, but they clear. So yeah, guys, it's definitely a good day. Every little bit helps. Every little upgrade. So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Obviously, lots more coming. As you can see here, I will have updates for everything in the shop coming very soon. And obviously, week of New Year's. Depending on when you watch this, Happy New Year's. Everybody be safe. And we'll catch you on the next one. Later.